Friends, today I am making in my LG microwave oven making pizza. First I take the ready-made base and I put it the pizza veg. You want to have pizza Vasmonce sauce, pizza topping, kisan, tomato sauce. First I applied pizza topping. After that I applied veg monsoon. After that I put some tomatoes, onions, and I cutted and put these capsicums, and I put cheese, Amul cheese. I have two pizzas. After that I want to kept in oven. After 10 minutes I am putting in LG microwave inside the pizza tray. I close it. Put it to 10 minutes and I keep started. After that it is preparing inside the oven. LG microwave. First I would keep to 10 minutes. I kept it to 10 minutes. After that I put a start. See, it is turning. Put into 10 minutes. After 5 minutes you can stop here. You can stop. You can see in the stop button, friends. You can stop this and you can check it is nice or not. After some time, remaining 42 seconds, it's preparing pizza. It's not cooked, friends. I kept it to 10 minutes, but it's not cooked. But I kept it to now. Here see, convention mode. After put it to convention mode, friends, it will come for 180. After that you want to put for more. It's in convention mode, friends. You want to put for 200 degrees Celsius. After that, after putting to 200 degrees Celsius, friends, you want to start. I put it for 10 minutes. I remove the pizza because of it's not prepared well, friends. That's why I put it to convention mode. After putting to 200 more, friends, you want to put for here 10 minutes. Inside there is no pizza. Friends, you do not put for after convention mode. You want to put for 200 degrees Celsius. After that you do not put for 10 minutes because it want to preheat. After putting to 200 degrees Celsius, you want to start, friends. You want to start means inside it there is no pizza. It want to warm, friends. It was to warm because I put it to preheat. LG microwave 21 liter, friends. So I will tell once again. First take ready-made pizza base and put tomato sauce, pizza topping, and white sauce. After that you cutted the vegetables, capsicum, tomato, and onion, and putted the milks. And if you want meat, you can put chili chunks also. This is pizza base. Now I put it to preheat, friends. After preheated, I will put in the oven. I will tell you after the preheat. After the preheated, I put it to stop after 4 minutes. Then I put it to oven. You not need to put anything. It will only make, friends. Put to 10 minutes and start. It's 7 minutes, friends. After 5 minutes, you can stop and touch, and you can see. Once again, friends, I am telling you from first. First, take the ready pizza base, and you want to have pizza tray. After that, put pizza topping sauce first. After it, put veg monsoon sauces, and put the vegetables, tomato, onion, chop it into very small sizes. After that, you want to put capsicum on it. After, you can put in pizza tray and put the cheese on it. After that, if you want spicy means, you can put chili chunks. After that, in oven, you want to put for convention. After convention, you want to press the more button. Put it into 200 degrees Celsius. After it, you can put start. It will come here preheat, PR minus H. It means preheat. You want to see the time, friends, for 4 minutes. After that, you can stop here and put the pizza inside it and put to 10 minutes and give start, friends. This is, you want to make 2 pizza means, don't give 2 times preheat, friends. First, you give a no, remove the first pizza and keep it another on pizza and put it to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will stop, friends. After 5 minutes, I will stop, friends, because I want to see it is nice or not. See, friends, it says happening. After the 5 minutes, friends, I have started to 458. After it, I am opening it for 5 minutes. It's so hot, friends. I am touch and seeing. It want to become, and again I put it to start. After that, 19 seconds, friends. If you have oven gloves means, you can open this. Otherwise, if you have the chapati this, and you can open in this. Now I will tell and you how. Keep ready the plate, friends. It is coming end. Put to stop. Open it. Wow. It's so hot, friends. It's so hot. See, friends, I am removing. Wow. I have again one pizza, friends. You're putting in again. Close it. Put it to 10 minutes. Sorry. Put it to. It says preparing, friends. It's preparing. This is second pizza. This is first pizza. Wow. It's so nice, friends. Bye bye.